Hey gang! We are here at the amazing Busch Gardens and they are having Summer Nights Media Weekend. So we get to enjoy ourselves, more free food, some really fun attractions. So if you guys want to enjoy all that too, come along!
It's based off our name.
And this weekend just coincide with Father's Day weekend, so it just worked out. I got to bring my parents for Father's Day. Doug and Christine are here, so they're gonna come along too. Now right here is the line where you can buy the quick queue cards. They gave us this quick queue card. We got here and our little media VIP badge, so we're gonna be able to get on a ride right in front of the lines, and then they also gave us Busch Bucks, so that's gonna help us buy some delicious summery food. And the gators are not sunbathing today. They're all kind of hiding here in the water, very undetected, enjoying their summer nights at Busch Gardens. And speaking of enjoying these late summer nights, look at these beautiful cheetahs. Wow, they're so close to us, babe. They're lounging around, enjoying the cool breeze. And over here at the Serengeti Overlook, they have a brand new giraffe bar that just opened, a treetop kitchen, which is coming soon, and they have their classic Oasis pizza, which they have always had. So I think we're gonna go check out the giraffe bar. I think I'm just gonna go with their Summer Nights cocktail special. It's a safari strawberry margarita with Milagro silver tequila, sparkling wine, strawberry, lemon, and lime. They also have some frozen specialty cocktails as well as some great local draft beers, but I'm glad we're going with the specialty cocktails. And while at the giraffe bar, you have to try the giraffe-shaped soft pretzel also. And they give it to you with house-made beer cheese sauce. Such a cool drink with the strawberry, and then to really like double down on the strawberry. At Busch Gardens, they don't have regular straws, they have edible straws. It's like little candy sticks, and this is actually strawberry flavor, so strawberry on strawberry. You guys would not believe this. It tastes strawberry. E. How's that giraffe pretzel tasting?
Giraffe.
And my parents actually got to use their Busch Bucks that Busch Gardens gave us. We got a cookie over here, a little cheese pizza, and then you got one of their souvenir cups, right?
Yeah.
What's the bonus to that?
99-cent refills.
Oh, well then that's worth it.
Yeah.
And the coolest part about the giraffe bar is, yes, you can come sit out here on the balcony and overlook all the giraffes here. Look how cool, and they're just out eating their hay. And they got a great little pond here for all the birds. This is probably my new favorite bar. I mean, a giraffe bar, come on. This is so cool. All right, so our first ride of the evening is Cheetah Hunt. I have only been on this once, but I remember loving it so much. So they did give us that quick queue card, which means basically all the major roller coasters, we are getting in front of the line like a fast pass tonight to experience it for ourselves. Oh my gosh, babe. We were cheetahs, we were hunted, or we were hunting cheetahs. I don't really know what happened. It was fast, it made me cry. A lot of fun. And there we are, having a blast. Nice pose, babe. You're really rocking out.
Oh, it's ready.
For nights here at Busch Gardens, you can get a little ice. They have an ice skating show here. I remember coming to see it since I was a little girl, but I have not seen the new show, which is called Turn It Up, and we're gonna try to get in there and turn it up. Duh.
There's a side to you that I never knew all the things
Turn the bass up.
Turn it over and start again. Turn it up, turn it over, turn it up, turn it up. Old enough to know and young enough to live again.
What did you guys think of ice skating in Florida? I know. I know that you were afraid when I was afraid whenever they do that thing where that girl's face almost hits the ice.
Yeah.
Oh, that takes talent right there. That giraffe pretzel, even though it was very giraffe-y, we are hungry. So I think we're gonna use some more of our Busch Bucks over here at Zagora Cafe. It's kind of their like main restaurant eating places with a bunch of different food options. Right, so I said they have a lot of options, which they do, but it's like cheeseburger, chicken fingers. I don't wanna use my Busch Bucks on that. I wanna save it for something good, but they did have White Claws and Trulies. And we truly love White Claws. So we got some drinks and I think we're actually gonna head to the train because we got to do a ride, but my parents are ready to ride on that choo-choo train. And the best thing about walking to the train station is you get to walk by Penguin Point.
Oh yeah, that water's freaking freezing. Look at it, it looks like poop.
Dasher! Dasher, what are you doing in there? That one looks just like you, buddy. Maybe Dasher's half penguin and we never knew it. He is half reindeer.
He stinks like baby.
So maybe he's just all the little winter. Oh, look at this guy cleaning.
That cold water's freezing.
Yeah, when you feel down here, when you just feel the glass, don't tap on the glass, but if you feel it lightly, it is freezing. You can tell they are loving it and super cold in there. Okay, now I really found Dasher's family. Look at this really cool, I'm assuming it's a bulldog. It looks like a bulldog to me. Topiary, that is so awesome. And we have arrived to the Narabi train station. In a tunnel. Oh, it's very dark. I'm scared. Oh, I love the lanterns though. They're keeping the train bright for us. Seeing all these animals chow down on food, I think that like it worked up an appetite. I'm ready to use my Busch Bucks, so let's get off the train and find some more food. And over here at Dragonfire Grill is where I think we're gonna try to use our Busch Bucks. They usually have shows while you eat, but no shows today, just lots of deliciousness. And I think we're gonna try the crispy chicken sandwich. It's on a brioche bun with lettuce, pickles, and served with some waffle fries. And we're also gonna chow down on some Asian wok. It's teriyaki chicken and orange chicken with a vegetable stir-fry noodle. Well, night has fallen and we are lost. So we're looking at maps. That is one thing that's actually kind of fun every time we come to Busch Gardens. It is not a park that we are at all the time. We come here occasionally and obviously for the media events, but it's kind of fun to get lost. You know, at Disney and at Universal, we know exactly where we're going, almost to the point that we could do it blindfolded. So it's nice to come in here and just like experience it like it's the first time almost every time we're here. But I'm getting a little bit better knowing the way, but I think we're on the way to watch Spark, the brand new Fireworks Spectacular. We're heading towards the fireworks right by this beautiful iron gauzy. You guys, look at all this empty space. Well, you know what we have to do when there's this empty space. It's gallivanting time. Wow, we just stepped into the Summer Nights Hub. I always call this the hub. It looks like they're gonna have maybe more booths, and they do have a specialty cocktail that I might just have to try here. So we're gonna get the Spark the Night. It's Florida Cana rum, red passion fruit, pineapple juice, orange juice, and lemon lime. And it comes in this really cute light up globe. I do love getting these little souvenir mugs. We probably have too many in our collection, but it's just fun, especially before we go watch Spark the Fireworks show. I had to get the Spark the Night drink, so let's give it a try. Tastes sparky.
Through the floor.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
Still in mind, and all was real is left behind. How do you want to go?
much as I do, so that was so great to end with that. That was, oh my goodness, our night is sparked. I feel sparked. There's a spark in our hearts. That was so much fun. Dad, it's Father's Day. You have to come in the video. Did you get your money's worth? My dad got a refillable mug. How much was that actual little mug you got?
$16.
Okay.
And a regular drink is $4.
Okay.
Okay. And on the day you buy it, it doesn't cost you anything to refill it.
Oh, the day you buy it, it doesn't cost anything to refill it. And then when you come back, it's 99 cents. So I think we got our drinks worth out of that refillable cup.
Good for a year.
And it is good for a year. The other thing that's good for a year was this fun night. I mean, I'm gonna remember it for the rest of the year. The fireworks were amazing. The company was amazing. The food was amazing. It was a really fun Father's Day.
Yeah.
We're taking the globe home, of course. Thank you, Busch Gardens, for having me and my family out on this lovely Father's Day weekend. We cannot wait to come back and experience more summer nights here. But for now, here from Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay, peace, love, and positivity, and all the good things. Love you guys. Bye.